Getting error 6023 on PARSEC in 2025, here's a quick fix to get you back in the game fast. First, restart your computer. It sounds simple, but it clears up temporary connection glitches. Next, check your internet. Both devices need stable, strong connections. Use a wired Ethernet if you can. Now open PARSEC and check for updates under Settings, About. There's a new version, install it. Then go to your Windows firewall settings and make sure PARSEC is allowed on both private and public networks. Still not working? Disable any VPN or proxy you're using. PARSEC doesn't always play well with those. And finally, make sure your router is ISP, isn't blocking UDP ports 8000 to 9000. These are essential for PARSEC's connection. Try these steps and you should be good to go. If not, test it on a different network to rule out internet issues. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.